Introducing the all-new 2026 Ford Ranger SuperCrew 4-wheel drive XL, a truck engineered for precision and power. This model features a 128-inch wheelbase and the highly capable 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an electronic 10-speed automatic transmission. Finished in a crisp Oxford white with an ebony cloth interior, this vehicle is ready for any challenge. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Whether you are planning a weekend exploring the rugged Sumas Mountain backroads or navigating city streets, the STX Appearance Package ensures you do it with style. This package adds distinctive fog lamps and 17-inch silver-painted aluminum wheels that perfectly complement the Ranger's bold, fully boxed steel frame design. Inside the cabin, you will find a sophisticated 10-inch center display and an 8-inch digital instrument cluster that puts all your essential information within easy reach. The interior is built to be as practical as it is comfortable, featuring an ActiveX floor covering for easy maintenance and Sync 4A with AppLink for seamless smartphone integration. For those who need to haul gear, this Ranger is equipped with the Trailer Tow Package and an integrated trailer brake controller for maximum control. The bed is protected by a Bedliner Tough Bed Spray and Spray-In and includes an integrated box sidestep, making it easier than ever to access your equipment after a day on the job or at the lake. A common question buyers ask is what kind of safety technology comes standard on the XL trim. This truck is impressively equipped with a lane-keeping system, pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera to ensure you have total awareness of your surroundings at all times. With its advanced anti-lock braking system and selectable drive modes, this 2026 Ranger is the ultimate companion for life in the Fraser Valley. Experience the reliability of a truck that is built Ford tough. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.